Manipur! Thank you!
For the subtitle Best Ramp Walk is sponsored by Thadoi Yumnam and Gift Hamper by Beauty Talk.
My question to you is, how would you define your state? Give 3 facts that make your state popular.
Thank you so much for your question, ma'am. Well, I would define my state, Manipur, as resilient because my Manipur has been burning for the last 3 years. But the people of Manipur had never lose hope. They are more strong and looking for a positive mindset and creating positive impact. And that's why I define Manipur as a resilient state. And 3 reasons that Manipur is really proud of is the Loktak Lake, which is the only floating national park in the whole world, and also the biggest freshwater lake in the whole of Northeast. And the women of Manipur, the Ima market, which is run only by Manipuri women. Well, I must say that, yes, in markets, they maintain financial issues, but at the same time, women of Manipur focus on socio-political issues too, and that made women of Manipur so empowered and independent. And last but not least, Nongin, which I was using during my traditional round. It's a state bird of Manipur, which symbolizes gentle, peace, and harmony. Thank you so much.